When to use corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance can improve asset health and performance in situations when planned maintenance occurs. When preventive maintenance tasks identify potential faults. When condition-based monitoring finds machine anomalies that signal potential failure. When non-critical assets can be allowed to run to failure and are inexpensive and easy to repair or replace. When asset failure doesn't affect safety. When a system has redundancies that allow it to operate properly even if a part fails.